So today I will tell you about the dangerous side effects of Ganetan OD tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Rafi Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Ganetan OD and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is itopride hydrochloride, and it is a 150 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Abbott Laboratories. Basically this medicine, the itopride hydrochloride, is a gastroprokinetic drug. Basically it increases the activity of GI. It is used to increase the GI motility. Now I am taking out its leaflet. Okay, here are the indications. In short, let me tell you about it. Ganetan OD is indicated for the treatment of GI symptoms caused by reduced GI motility like feeling of fullness, upper abdominal pain, anorexia. Anorexia is a very dangerous condition, a disorder in which the patient feels that he or she is underweight and she stops eating and tries to decrease their weight. So it's a very dangerous condition. So this medicine also it is used to treat the anorexia too, and also heartburn. It is used to treat heartburn, nausea and vomiting, and also non-ulcer dyspepsia or the chronic gastritis, which is the inflammation of the GI. So it's a very good and effective medicine, but this medicine also has side effects and we'll be discussing it today. So let's go to its adverse drug reactions. Here are the adverse drug reactions. Here they are saying that in clinical trials we didn't find so much side effect, but in 14 patients the side effects were reported, and now let's discuss it. We have post-marketing experience side effects too. So these are the side effects which people and the patients complained about it, that they feel that they have these side effects. They complained and reported these side effects. Some were investigated here, so we'll discuss it. This medicine can cause blood and lymphatic system disorder like leukopenia. It is the deficiency of white blood cells or the decrease of white blood cells, and thrombocytopenia, which is the decrease of platelets. These two both are the cells of the blood, white blood cells and platelets. Both are decreased here. It can also cause immune system disorders like anaphylactoid reactions. These reactions are caused to those patients who are allergic to itopride hydrochloride or are sensitive to it. So this medicine is not recommended for them. It can also cause endocrine disorders. It can increase prolactin level and gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is the condition disorder in which the male persons have the breast like female characters. They have breast. So it's a dangerous condition also for the males. It can also cause nervous system disorders like dizziness, headache, which is the pain in head, and tremor. Tremor is the shaking condition or the irregular movement of body parts. It can also cause GI disorders, means gastrointestinal disorders like diarrhea, constipation. Now diarrhea and constipation are both here. It varies from patient to patient, and it's also possible that the one patient who complained of diarrhea in the morning and now report that he is having constipation in night. So it's also possible to have both side effects, but it also varies from patient to patient. It can also cause abdominal pain, and it can also increase saliva and cause nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting. It can also cause hepatobiliary disorders. Hepato means liver and biliary means bile. So it can cause jaundice, which is also a dangerous condition. Jaundice is caused when the excess bile is released. So it's a dangerous condition indeed. It can also cause skin and subcutaneous tissue disorders, in which it can cause rashes, redness and itching. In an investigation they are saying that it can increase several enzymes like increased AST, ALT, increased gamma GTP, alkaline phosphatase and bilirubin. So if anybody, the patient, has any test regarding these enzymes, so they may have false result. It can cause misdiagnosis or false diagnosis, which is very dangerous because this medicine can alter the these tests. Okay, so there will be variation in test and they will be not trusted. Okay, so that's why they have mentioned here, and I'm also mentioning here that if your GP or any professional is conducting test of your enzyme, so you should tell them about this medicine if you use it. Okay, so that's the point. Now most of you people will be thinking that why am I telling you the side effects and especially the dangerous side effects. Am I telling you that should you not use this medicine? No, the purpose of telling you the side effects is that you only take advantage and you found this medicine effective only. You do not get the side effects of this medicine. You only take the advantage of this medicine. That's why I'm here to tell you about it, to educate you about it, that be aware of these side effects so you can stay away from the harmful effects and you will be protected by these harmful effects. Okay, I'm protecting you from these harmful effects, so you know, so you take the measures. If you consult your physician and pharmacist, they have already planned the treatment. If this medicine or any kind of medicine has any side effects, they will nullify that side effect by giving other drug or any other kind of treatment with it. Like for example, if I give you an example of a TB drug, that is isoniazid. Isoniazid causes vitamin B6 deficiency. So if there is a professional, qualified professional, then she will give you vitamin B6 along with isoniazid, so the patient would not feel any side effect and she would feel that there is no side effect of this medicine. Although isoniazid have side effect of causing vitamin B6 deficiency, so if vitamin B6 is not given to the patient, then he will have a pinching or the needle like sensation. He will have stinging in his fingertips and in the toes nails. So that's why professionals have already designed the treatment so you won't have side effects. That's why do not self-medicate yourself. Okay, the purpose of telling you side effects is simple, that if you feel any side effects here, you may contact your physician and pharmacist so they counteract it and nullify those effects. Okay, so I hope you understand the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I work very hard for you and you need to support me because I'm making videos for you and hoping to give you advantage of it. Okay, so please support me. Thank you. Okay, so these are the side effects. I hope you understand the video and found it informative. Okay, another question, that if this medicine has so many side effects, then why we are using this medicine? So answer is very simple, because this medicine has a lot of uses. It is very effective in treating these conditions which I have already mentioned. So that's why it is in the market and is still being used, and its side effects are nothing as compared to its use. That's why it is still being used. Okay, so that's for today. Take care. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, drop in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.